Let's work through an example of calculating negative slope using ordered pairs. Solve for the slope of the line that passes through 27, 107, and 33, 71. First, label the x and y values. The first ordered pair is labeled x sub 1, y sub 1. The second ordered pair is labeled x sub 2, y sub 2. Next, substitute the x and y values into the slope formula. The slope formula is the change in y divided by the change in x. Slope equals y sub 2 subtract y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 subtract x sub 1. The slope of this line equals 71 subtract 107 divided by 33 subtract 27. Last, solve for the slope. 71 subtract 107 equals negative 36. 33 subtract 27 equals 6. Negative 36 divided by 6 equals negative 6. The slope of this line is negative 6. Feel free to drop your comments and questions below. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching!